All right, for number three, we have, again, two fractions here. They do not have a common denominator, and we are adding them together, so we need to have a common denominator. So let's go ahead and take a look what we need to have a common denominator. Okay, so for the first fraction, you have xy squared as your common denominator. All right, and then for the second fraction, you have 4xy. So we look at these two fractions, we look at these two denominators, and we ask ourselves a question. What do they have and what do they not have? Because we need to make sure that they have the same thing in order to have a common denominator. Okay, so I would say the first fraction, it needs to have a 4. Okay, because the second fraction has a 4 in it that the first fraction doesn't have. And for the second fraction, it needs an additional y to be multiplied, because there's a y squared, which is y times y. So, okay, now that we have the same denominator of 4xy squared. Okay, 4xy squared, and that will be 20y plus 8. And then there will be 2xy minus 4y. Okay. All right, so let's see if there's anything we can simplify. I think we do. 20y minus 4y, it's 16y plus 2xy plus 8 over 4xy squared. And then we ask, what can't the denominator be? Well, the denominator cannot be 0. So that means x cannot be 0 and y cannot be 0, because if they become 0, the whole denominator would be 0. Okay, that's not something that we want to have. So that's it. That's for number 3. And wait, hold on. Nope, not yet. I just realized something, that I see some even numbers in the top. So I think we should factor the even numbers. Factor the 2, So that would be great. And we can actually further simplify a little bit. And that is the 2 and the 4. They can cancel each other out. Okay, so that will be your final answer. The 2 and the 4, they cancel each other out, become 1 and 2. Okay.